The Shuffle Wallet has a RFID blocking feature that protects your credit cards from being scanned. We're going to show you how that's done. So here's a travel card, and we're going to use our mobile phone to scan. Our mobile phone app is able to scan and show you the balance for our transport card. Now, if you were to put the card into the Shuffle Wallet that has the RFID and attempt to scan again, you can see that the app is now unable to scan the card. So with RFID blocking feature, your credit card information is safe from scammers. So check out the Shuffle Wallet.